Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, check for all or none. Sometimes the patterns you want to search for may have part of it that may or may not exist. However, it may be important to check for them nonetheless. You can specify the possible existence of an element with a question mark. This checks for 0 or 1 of the preceding element. You can think of this symbol as saying the previous element is optional. For example, there are slight differences in American and British English, and you can use the question mark to match both the spelling. In American, we have color without U, and in British, we use U as well. So, in this case, U is optional. So, we use U question mark in the regular expression, and when we match, it returns true for both the pattern. Task for this challenge: change the regex, fab regex to match both the American English and British English favorite version of the word. So we just use the favorite of American English and use you question to make it optional pattern to add the case where we have to use British English. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.